Hey guys, this is Alex with OttoEx, and today, another vehicle, another day. So, here we have a 1994 Toyota Townace Field Touring 4-wheel drive edition. The Field Touring edition was a special package offered by Toyota, and the cool thing about this package is it comes with some really nifty and unique to this package alloy wheels, as you'll see, fitted front and rear. Also comes with some pretty cool period correct decals along both right and left sides in the blue silver two-tone. And it comes with this really cool front brush guard, factory Toyota brush guard, but only with the Field Touring trim, and the two matching accessory fog lights. Another thing about the Field Touring package is it comes standard with the Toyota light truck mirrors seen here and on the left side there. Those mirrors are great for visibility. You get a whole shot down your both right and left sides. You also have the round front mirror for your forward visibility of your front bumper here, which is it just makes parking and navigating even easier on this cab over van. So this particular one is outfitted with a 2-inch lift on some General Grabber ATXs. We've done this lift in-house, and it basically gives these vans a much better stance, gives them the height that they want, and they really should have been fitted this way, factory. It looks factory, so we like to go ahead and get them out this way, get some nice clearance, ready to hit the trails. So looking inside, passenger door here, you'll notice a very clean and nice light blue gray two-tone interior, kind of in line with your exterior decals. You've got clean door cards, both left and right over there, driver's side. A matching, beautifully upholstered seat here, vinyl siding, cloth. We've got the factory Toyota floor mats all around. We'll take a look underneath. You'll see clean carpet. Factory Toyota road flare. Many vehicles in Japan come standard with road flares. It's just an additional safety thing that they go ahead and ensure that all their cars have. So pretty standard layout here. Let's look in the rear. So we've got, these seats have many different configurations. This is just one of like 18 different setups that you get. So the middle row here rotates 360, so they can face either this way or this way. We have them in the rear facing configuration. Again, you've got your floor mats, and you actually have another, pull this one up a bit to show you guys again. We've got some more floor mats in the front there for when the seats are flipped around. So looking in the back here, you do have a rear bench stepping in, and you'll notice that this rear bench folds up, which is really nice, and it basically just gives you more utility out of your van. With this setup, you pretty much have nearly a pickup bed, like a short bed, 5-foot bed, cargo space in here. It's got the high roof, factory high roof. You've got your AC vents up there. Looking down here, pretty dark. You've got your heating controls down there. And the reason it is so dark in this van right now is because the windows all have a very nice factory tint on them. And they also come with the Toyota factory curtains all around, as you can see. It's just, they're in great shape. There's no funky smells or anything in here. It smells like a new van, and it only has about 50,000 original miles on it. So, as with most of our cars that you'll see me filming, and sometimes even selling, such as this one, we just try to get stuff that's in good condition, and we go through a lot of extra steps to make sure it is. So you'll see the Field Tourer decal down the side there again. You've got your clean entry step here. Let's open up the rear and show you guys Super Extra. That is the standard trim level before there was any Field Touring package. So a real clean headliner. Looking down to carpet, which is also in line with the rest of the vehicle's cleanliness. It's a great example of one of these Field Tourers. They're kind of hard to find, but I'm really happy with this one. It's been a real pleasure to drive. Believe it or not, just cruises around town. Giving you a look of the front seat. This is the driver's side here. The belts. Driver's side door card. Your power locks, door lock, window lock. Here's your gauge cluster. Shows 83,909 kilometers. That is original mileage. Here's your fog light switch. This turns on the front fog lights. Let me hop in so we can check some more out here. So you got your pretty standard Toyota dash here. It's there's nothing super special about it, but it's just clean. It's precise. You know, everything is laid out where it should be, all within one arm reach of your driver's seat. You've got your rear AC controls, your rear defrost, your hazards, basic climate controls right in there, and the original Toyota tape and CD deck, which is pretty sweet. It's great to have both in one. Just a true throwback, so you can throw on your cassette tapes or your CDs if you still have them. If not, time to get a new collection. So what I want to do for you guys now is just kick the engine on, just to show you how everything runs here. Alright, so, you know, all these guys are pretty happy. AC turns on, compressor kicks on properly. Turn that off. Heat works very well too, of course. Let's turn on the tunes. Of course, these do get factory Japanese radio bands, which is about 76 FM, all the way up to 90. So, puts you right in line with the very great jazz station we get here in Portland. So you guys can listen to that. I'm gonna turn it off now. Alright, so looking down at your gear shift, this is an auto, which is good for some, bad for some, to each their own. I like it in this kind of van. It's just kind of a carefree get up and go setup. It's got a reliable setup, same transmission that was used in the domestic vans here. You've got your high and low transfer case, your overdrive on and off switch, and yeah, L2 drive, neutral, reverse, parking brake, pretty standard. All right, look at the middle console, a little bit of storage in there, and even some reverse cup holder functionality. Pretty sweet. All right, what else can I show you guys? Sun visors, all working like they should. Rear view mirror. Cabin light does not work. That may just be a bulb. First time testing it. Anyways, I'd love to give you guys full disclosure on all of our rigs. So what you see is what you get, kind of a deal. Or in some cases, what you see is what we review. You've got your clock there, works great. Kick on the fogs, give you guys a little audio of the engine out here. I'll rev it too. So that's a 2.2 liter turbo diesel engine. Oh, let's kick on the lights so you can see how those work. Once my light switch on, twist that. Getting into the hours of the early evening so you can see these guys in action. Give you a little cruise around. Let's take a look up top. Pretty much clean paint all around. Gotta kill the engine. Unless I'm forgetting something. You guys in the comments are always good about reminding me if I do forget something. Let me know. Love to get you as much info about these vans. Again, this one here is a 1994 Toyota Townace Super Extra Field Tourer in a 4-wheel drive with the 3CT diesel engine. If you guys are interested, check us out, OttoEx.com, OTTOEX. Give us a call, email, like or subscribe if you want. Anyways, stay tuned. We'll always have more rigs. Until next time.